Hello and welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you've never been here before. Thank you so much for joining me today. I really do appreciate your support on the channel. So today we're going to be doing day 2, look 2 with this palette here. It's a Profusion Cosmetics Mixed Metals Glam. I've had this, I got it not the Christmas just gone, the Christmas before, so I've had it quite a while, but I used it for a few videos when I got it, but since then nothing, because I've got so many eyeshadow palettes in my collection. So I'm just trying to rotate everything, and Pretty Random chose this and I'm really happy about it. I love the metallics in here, they're so nice, and the mattes are really nice too. You do only get 3 mattes though, so that it's not for everyone. And I don't even think they do this one anymore. It's certainly not on the Profusion Cosmetics website. They've got like a birthday limited edition which looks really nice, and they're very inexpensive. This one in Boots, I feel like it was like £6.99 because that's where I got it from with some Christmas money. It wasn't very expensive at all. Today I want to use this shade. It is stunning, guys, and I mean stunning. It is so pretty, but I don't know if to use Zenith with it. I don't think I've done a look like that before, so let's just put the mattes on and see how I feel about it. But I do like that orange. I kind of want to use that all over the lid. I'm going to just get my Too Faced chocolate bar just because I want a cream ivory shade in all over my lid, and they don't have one in here unfortunately, so let me get that. Okay, I'm going in. So let's just zoom you in a bit, and let's get this mirror. Right, so these videos have been super confusing, guys. Probably not only to you, but to me as well. I was going through them yesterday and I realised one was still in draft on the on YouTube, and it should have been uploaded last week, I feel like, but it wasn't. It was like day 4, look 4. It was with the Huda Gemstones Obsessions palette. That only went up last night, well, early hours of this morning, so if you're confused, that's why. Going forward, what I'm going to be doing is putting the weeks next to them. So from now on, it's going to say day 2, look 2, week 4. I mean, it's a bit of a mouthful, but that's the only way I can kind of figure out what's going on, because I'm giving them all the same title. Pretty Random chooses my eyeshadow. It's the only thing I can do really. Otherwise I'll just be getting really confused all over the place, and I don't want that. And I don't want you guys getting confused either. Right, so I've finished with the Too Faced chocolate bar. So now we're going to go in with Classic, this one here. So yeah, I'm going to have to put the week that we're filming on, just so I know and so you know. And they do have a bit of a kick up in the pan. But Profusion eyeshadows are better than Revolution, guys. If you can get hold of Profusion, I would recommend these more than I would Revolution. Revolution is very hit and miss. I've not found one bad eyeshadow palette yet, although with Profusion I mean, although I've only got a few in the collection. I think I've got about 3 or 4 now. Yeah, it's 4 I think I have. And then we're going to go in with Rich. See, can you see there's a little bit of kick up there? I don't know if the camera's going to pick that up, but there's a bit of a kick up there. Then we're going to go in with Rich for the outer V, just to deepen it out a little bit. I might take some of that through the crease as well. I normally get all my Profusion palettes from TK Maxx, except this one that I'm using now, just because it's cheaper than ordering from the Profusion website, but I can order from them. They've got this really nice green glitter palette out and I'd love that. Maybe in a few months I'll get it. Okay, so that's it for the mattes. I don't want to go in with this noir shade. I don't really like black eyeshadow. So now then, I need a brush to go in with a shimmer. Okay, I think we'll use this one. I've just found it. I lost it for a while. This brush is so easy to lose because it's so small. It's the Real Techniques accent brush. Right, I really want to use this orange, so I'm going to use that on like 3/4 of the lid, and then we're going to go in with this Zenith shade on the inner portions. Right, so as I was saying before we rudely got cut off and before I had to take a phone call, we're going to go in with Topaz. That's what it's called. I don't think I told you the name. And then on the inner portion we're going to go in with Zenith. I think that'll look really, really pretty. So yeah, let's start this. I'm in a mad rush, as per every video lately that I've filmed. It's currently Sunday and my mum's making Sunday dinner, so it's a case of me doing this and then rushing to a house. Luckily she only lives about 5 minutes walk away. This is beautiful. Right, so all that space there now is Zenith's gonna go there. Do the other eye and then we'll spritz the brush. Right, so now we're going to spritz the brush. I'm just going to use this inexpensive spray from Primark. It's the Glow Intensity spray. It is a bit chunky, this eyeshadow, but it looks absolutely beautiful on the eyelids. Right, and then I'm just going to go in with my fingers a little bit. Just to smooth any creases out in the eyelids. Right, so I'm going to use the same brush. I'm just going to wipe off the eyeshadow and then we're going to go in with Zenith. So it's just that yellow gold there. That's really pretty as well. And I'm going to take it to about there. I've not left enough room on the left eye. So that's what it's looking like so far. Suppose we best spritz the brush on this as well. I can never get both eyes even. And then for the inner corner, we need an inner corner, so we're going to go in with this one. This one is called Superstar. I thought I might put that gold as an inner corner, but it's too dark. Okay, so that's what that looks like. I've got an itchy ear. Then what we're going to do is put Rich on the lash line here. And then we'll go in and tightline with this Too Faced Perfect Black eyeliner. Sorry, I know the mirror's in the way. And then some mascara. I'm just going to use the Essence one. That's the only one that's open at the moment because I'm throwing the Primark one away. So yeah, we'll use this. And then I just need to grab a lipstick and then we're done. Okay, so I want to use this one and see if I want to keep it around the collection. It's Model Zone and it's in the shade Ruby Red, and it's in the shade Ruby Red, and it's a cream. My lips are really kind of dehydrated because I've not put lip oil on. So yeah, let's see what this one looks like. It's that shade there. So I think it will look nice. I think it looks real pretty. I just had to remove the lipstick from my tooth, but every time I talk more lipstick goes on there. So yeah, I think the eye look looks really pretty, and this lipstick looks really nice with it. I don't think I'll be decluttering that from the collection. It's a really nice shade, and it's not red, it's like a raspberry red, and I don't have anything like that in the collection. So guys, this is the overall look. This is what we're looking like. I just absolutely adore orange at the moment, and it's just a really nice metallic orange. The eyeshadows in there that are metallics are a little bit crumbly, but you can work with them and they don't look crumbly on the eye. So this is what the eye look looks like. It's just such a stunning palette, such great formula for the price range. If you can get something like that, the mixed metals ones, I would highly recommend them. TK Maxx will sell them. I don't feel like Boots, where I got mine from, sells it, because I got it from the Christmas store that they have in the shop every year, and I don't feel like the Profusion Cosmetics website sell them. They sell one like it, which is in like a silver packaging. They brought it out for the birthday edition, like I said earlier, but I've not seen the one that I've got. I do want that birthday edition one just because it is such great formula. It's better formula, I would say, that what is in the normal eyeshadow palettes. So yeah, I really want to get more of them when they come out. So guys, this concludes the look. Thank you so much for watching today. I really do appreciate your time and support. Please subscribe if you want to be part of my little fam. I would love to have you here. Please like, share and comment, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.